life. The stress, no money, all the fights. I'm sorry, but I have to get away from you.